The internet is totally shut down and our people are dying. We are in a desperate situation. We also request the Indian government to instruct the Ministry of External Affairs to summon the Pakistan ambassador. This is broad daylight murder that is taking place in POJK. We also request the Indian government to instruct the Ministry of External Affairs to summon the Pakistan ambassador. This is broad daylight murder that is taking place in POJK.
हमारा ये ज़रूर इरादा है कि एक दिन हम पीओके को जो है वहाँ का इलीगल ऑक्यूपेशन जो है ख़त्म करेंगे। पीओके जो है भारत का अंग है। इट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, इट वाज ऑलवेज पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, इट विल बी पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया।
Moment, the situation in Muzaffarabad, the capital of Pakistani occupied Jammu Kashmir, is getting very, very serious. What happened is this morning, about 500,000 people descended upon Muzaffarabad and in the suburbs to protest against taxes on electricity bills, cuts in subsidies, and to demand end to the perks and privileges of the Prime Minister, the President, all members of Legislative Assembly, as well as the judges and bureaucracy. And then the government of POJK suddenly announced that they have reached an agreement. They issued a notification and they said that electricity, the first 100 units of electricity will be charged instead of 30, 40, 50 rupees per unit. It will be charged at a fixed rate of 3 rupees per unit, and so on and so forth. And they also said that the prices of the wheat have been reduced by about 600-700 rupees a mon, and also that the Pakistan government has agreed to give an annual grant of 23 billion rupees for facilitating these new prices. But then the notification was noticed that the notification did not have a dispatch number. When you issue a notification, there is a dispatch number that was missing. So that then made the people, the leaders of Jammu Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee curious about it. And they asked people to march towards Gilani Square, which is now called, I think, Aziz Chowk. And as they were heading towards there, the Rangers then tried to baton charge and attack, police charged and attacked the protesters. The protesters hit back and the Rangers retreated. It seemed as if the Rangers have disappeared from the scene, but then they came with heavy contingency of Rangers. They began straight firing, and in that straight firing, up till now, at least 3 people have lost their life, and more than 19 people are wounded, and the death toll is said to maybe increase. Then the next thing what happened was that the army commandos started to land in helicopters in the center of Muzaffarabad, and each helicopter was carrying about 20 to 25 commandos, and they started to land, and we don't know what is happening now because the internet is totally shut down and our people are dying. We are in a desperate situation. We need the international community to come and stand stand by us, raise their voice for us. The Indian repertoire in the United Nations, we request them to raise their voice at the United Nations Forum. We also request the Indian government to instruct the Ministry of External Affairs to summon the Pakistan ambassador and ask for an explanation. This is broad daylight murder that is taking place in POJK. Our lives are in danger, people's lives are in danger. Straight firing is going on as I speak.
बड़ी से बड़ी खबर, क्राइम से लेकर राजनीति तक किस नेता ने 5 साल में क्या काम कराया।
मिलेगी सबसे पहले हर खबर चेंजिंग फ्यूचर न्यूज पर, जो बदलेगा आपका